Friendly greetings yet again. I am having such a delightful time showing these Viewer 2 features, and I'm hoping you're getting a lot out of it. Now in this one, I want to show you about the new and improved, yes, it can be both, Move and View controls. It's an interesting and intriguing philosophical paradigm that your avatar's actual perceived vision, like you got eyes there, can be disconnected from how your camera is going about and roaming the world. We've made this way easier. So, in a nutshell, or watermelon, rind, as I like to consume, click Move. Okay, well, let's just drag that over there, and click View, and let's just drag that over there. Now, let's show you how these work in conjunction. So, of course, these are, it's handy, the tooltips also show you the keys to press. So you can navigate. If you're a little uncomfortable with the keyboard, this can be a nice minute precision aid. Notice the second mode here, again with a nice hover tip, is running mode. Before that was tricky because there was a menu item. Yeah, you know the one, always run. Okay, but now you can go ahead and click that. And now when you're moving about, I'll just press that. See, you're running. You want to switch back like that. And of course, fly is here as well. All these have keyboard shortcuts, but for your convenience, you want to go up here, altitude, my friends, and down there, and stop flying. Good. Now you're well familiar with what that can do, and we can dock that back on. We can minimize it like that. Onwards to the camera controls. Like the Move controls, these View controls have been the generous benefactor of different mode buttons, which of course, I'm going to show you how they work. First of all though, of course we have the zoom, which is familiar. If you're uncomfortable with using a mouse scroll wheel, or don't have one, I highly recommend one, or you don't want to use the keyboard shortcut, and you can also orbit around. This is quite familiar, isn't it? Whee! Okay, now we can switch to pan, another mode here. And of course, the zoom does the same thing with pan. Now, here's what's changed. See as avatar. There have long been popular requests that you can change your perspective so you're not always seeing yourself from, hi there, squatter, from behind, behind your avatar's shoulders, as it were. We have the conventional rear view like that, which I've been doing, but we also have this here. Oh, you can view over an angle. This is also known as group view. We have front view, which is like a mirror image. You may be familiar with this from some other online environments, which shall go unnamed. But notice as I walk, it's always, you can see what you look like, which is great if you want to be in motion after tweaking your appearance. And of course, you can go into the classic mouse look, which is first person, and I'm just jiggling my mouse around and continuing to navigate. And as directed, I shall press escape to return to the world view. Here we also have view object, of course, which allows us to, it's the same as holding down Alt and clicking around. So get familiar, and especially I think you'll really enjoy these.